Hi, welcome. Today we are going to see a new industrial product, most useful for own equipment manufacturers or OEM. There are two parts here. 1. Hardware HC-06A. 2. An app named AI-M25. The HC-06 is a hardware that stops the machine after few months of installation. This is to help the manufacturers to cross-check with their payment reception. AI-M25 is an application for reactivating the machinery that stopped purposely. Now, open the AI-M25 application. Then press the blue check button to check for available Bluetooth devices. You can also see the messages showing at the bottom: Bluetooth permission granted, etc. Wait for few seconds and click on the Select Machine list box. Now you can see the list of available Bluetooth instruments. Select HC-06 from the list. Now click Pair button even though it shows as paired HC-06. Now you can see a message at the bottom saying Bluetooth paired successfully. Consider this black box hardware as your machinery. You can check its running status in the app by pressing Show button at the bottom. The status will be shown in the machine status number text box. Now the hardware is in cutoff mode, showing red. Each and every hardware comes with unique codes. Using that unique codes, we can reactivate the machine. You can enter the activation code in the Enter Run Code text box. Run code is a 6-digit code. First 3 digit is the serial number and last 3 digit is an activation digits. For clarity purpose, the code has given as A01 as a serial number and the current release digits as E. Let us see whether we can release this machine. Now press the Start button at the bottom, which is in red. Now you can see the machine starts running and showing indication in green. At the same time, the Start button in the app also turns into green color. This means that the machine status is received. The next time, we cannot give the same code to make it work. Based on number of time the cutoff happen, the run code also changes. Let us check it one more time for clear understanding. As it is a demo unit, the green light will change it to red in few minutes. Let us wait. Okay, we received another cutoff mode. To check the cutoff count, let us press the Show button. Yes, we received the status as POST05. It means we have to supply the 6th code to release the machine. The first 3 digits is the machine serial number, and it is the same. The next 3 digit is the secret pin. And enter it now and press Start. See, now the machine is restarted again. This unit shown is the prototype. The size and shapes may vary in the production unit. And open type unit also available for easier fix in the OEM machinery.